Alright guys, here we're going to go. We're going to do a review today of the Bell M1911 pistol. It's a full metal pistol. It's a full metal, full trademark version. Mine is a little bit custom, but it's nothing too horrible that you guys can't get used to. First things first, how you'll get it. You'll receive it in this nice little plastic case. With some locking tabs on the top. Nice cushion on the inside. Chinese manual, none of us can read, unless you're Chinese. That'll be cool. And you can read it for us and tell us what it all says, but I think the pictures do it enough justice. And a jamming rod. Depending on the version you buy, you may also receive a couple little extra goodies in there. Don't make me awfully happy, but you receive a loading nozzle with all the parts, and this little magazine tool. That's what you receive with every one, I believe. And mine also came with another loading nozzle, but this one's metal. Nice high quality zinc metal loading nozzle. I haven't had to replace it yet, but if I do, I got two spares, so that's sweet. On to the gun, the reason why you guys are here. It is a quote-unquote single stack magazine, a typical single stack looking magazine. Oh, camera's over here. It is a double stack Airsoft, however, holds 24 rounds. Magazine's got more than enough room inside the chamber here for gas for about 1.5 mag loads if you're firing consistently a shot every 2 seconds or so. So yeah, nice magazine, nice gun overall. Here we go. I took mine from the Parkerized finish and brown grips, took it to a like stainless kind of finish with these nice black real steel grips, gritty grips. I'll put the link, I'll put the eBay seller's name over in the link over there so you guys know where to get those from. He does Punisher grips, Dragon grips, whatever you want there. They're pretty sweet. They got the consistency of about 220 grit sandpaper, so they work out alright. Otherwise, the gun, typical 1911. Get your grip safety. Yeah, your slide safety. Hammer down. Nice solid click up. Solid click down. Nothing chintzy like the Weetex. Oh, hey, little gas in there. Motherfuck. All the gun control guys are going to be on me about that one. Put that to the side. But, yeah. What was I saying? Safety, yeah. Nice safety. Slide. Locks back, actually. Pretty nifty. Stays back. Reload. Whatever you need to do. Throw it at somebody. Oh, yeah. I always put a full-length guide rod in there because I don't like the old stubby versions. Otherwise, pretty nice gun. Nice, fully trademarked. Nice Colt trademarks up there. Individually serial numbered. That's pretty sweet. I like that a lot. And you got trademarks all over the gun, proof stamps and stuff here, there. Word to whoever wants to do this, sanding wise and polishing wise, the frame is steel, slide is aluminum. Use steel polish for the frame, aluminum polish for the slide. I used aluminum polish for both. They both came out bright, beautiful, awesome. But then the frame faded because it was aluminum polish, not steel polish. So I got a nice dull gray frame and a nice shiny slide. So it's alright, does its job, but it's okay. Nice full metal sound. We got a Weetex recoil spring in there because the Bell ones are about 1.5 gauge wire thinner and about an inch shorter than a standard Weetex recoil spring, and that accounts for the Bell high kick. But it sucks for, it'll kick back quickly, come back to here, then coming forward it's kind of sloppy and you might not return all the way, and it kind of wiggles and wobbles a lot. This one, like if I was holding this with a Bell spring, the gun would be sagging down here right now. I mean, this is the Wii spring, it holds pretty true. I can bounce, I can still do a cocking mechanism there, but otherwise, nice gun. Like I said, full metal, not the most accurate thing in the world, but your typical pistol won't be used for anything more than, 10-15 feet. I was firing here about that railing. That's about the range I'm looking at, CQB wise, unless you're having a backyard pistol war, and whatever, buy a tight bore barrel, upgrade your gun like my high cap in one of my other videos there. I can get to 50 yards with that thing and hit a man-sized target, so it's nice. This thing you're not going to be able to do that with unless you're a really good shot. The hop-ups, it's alright, but it's a sidearm. It's not a nice main weapon. I would use my high cap as a main weapon, but I wouldn't use this one. Otherwise, though, it's a nice showpiece, nice holster filler. If you're just doing reenactments, it does come in an original parkerized finish, wood checkered grips, not diamond grips, but checkered. What was I just about to say? Thought of something. Oh, yeah. One thing that I was looking for when I bought the gun that kind of annoyed me and kind of tempted me to sand it down like this was, when it came, I couldn't figure out from anybody how the hell the orange was painted on. So I knew it was going to be painted orange somewhere. I didn't know if it had a little plastic cap, or it was going to be painted on, or what was going on. It turns out that when I bought it from the Hong Kong company I bought it from, they took and basically they cocked it back, they sprayed from here forward on the barrel with orange spray paint. And then they let the slide back out, and then they sprayed down the front, all around about an inch down in orange paint, spray paint. Stop fucking doing that. Which meant my inner barrel had orange spray paint in it, which had to be cleaned with basically Tops gun cleaning solvent. It was beautiful. Cleaned that right out of there. And I tried cleaning the orange paint off the barrel because I wanted to keep it parkerized, but it didn't work, so I just took it down to this. I like steel guns, pretty sweet. A lot of people will probably be asking me why I don't just take my release valve on my magazine and shoot all the gas out. I am using green gas. I've found out that if you use this release valve, the gas rushing out of the magazine will actually dry out your O-rings, make them crack and leak. With green gas, you keep about a quarter of a mag load in there, it'll keep your O-rings lubricated. If you're using propane, make sure that you use several drops of silicone lube before you do that, so that you're not using the propane gas, which is actually dry, and it'll dry out your mags without silicone lube. But otherwise, nice gun. I didn't mention the other little trademark up there. We got a Barstow 45 ACP stamp into the shell ejection port there. Pretty nice gun. Don't have much good holsters hanging around to put it in, but I keep it in a nice foam padded case. Any questions, anything I missed here, you guys just let me know. I'll put the link to the grips over on the side there. For people looking for this in the U.S., it is discontinued by most U.S. retailers. You have to go to a site, I'll link it over there, but RSOV, RSOV.com. It's a Hong Kong site, and you'll be paying about $30 for shipping to get it over here. This is a $52 gun from them. So you're still getting a full metal gas blowback for about $70, $80. Not bad. I think it stands up to par with WeTech in some ways, in other ways it doesn't. I doubt it holds up to a Marui. I just don't like Maruis because they're plastic, and I don't want to buy $700 worth of metal upgrade parts. But that's just me. Some of you guys like the plastic guns. The only place I can get 134A gas around here is Advanced Auto, and I don't feel like buying AC recharging fluid. So, that's that. So, any questions, leave a comment, drop me a line. Try to avoid from killing each other on the posts, in the comments. If you get way too far out there, I'll just delete you. But, whatever, keep it clean, and hopefully we'll be doing some more reviews for you guys soon. Okay, see you later.